Elizabeth. Knock, knock.
Who's there, Sammy?
Conversation starters.
Conversation starters. Who?
Conversation starters podcast. Back for season 2. We're so excited to be bringing Conversation starters back for a second season.
In season 1, we focused on how to use conversations to book more meetings, convert more content, and create unique website experiences. In season 2, we're taking it to the next step of the conversation experience.
We'll be looking at how to have the right first conversation after you book a meeting or someone downloads a piece of content or clicks on an ad.
By talking to experts in sales, marketing, and artificial intelligence, we'll find out what it takes to make that conversation a memorable one.
If you aren't already subscribed, make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss a single episode when it drops on June 23rd.
And if you are subscribed, welcome back. We'll see you right here. In the meantime, make sure you're caught up from all 8 episodes in season 1.
Fade out.